You can actually receive free YouTube gift memberships if someone gifts them during a live stream or premiere. But you need to be opted in first. Here's how to do it. Go to any YouTube live stream or premiere on a desktop browser. This won't work in the mobile app. If you're on a tablet or phone, open YouTube in Safari or Chrome and request the desktop site. Next, click on the $sign at the bottom of the live chat. Then, tap Membership, and in the top right, click the 3 dots to access gift settings. Here, toggle Allow Gifts on. This opts you in to receive gifted memberships. Now, anytime someone buys a gifted membership on a live stream, you may receive one. Keep in mind, it's not guaranteed. You're eligible, but only as long as gifts are available and randomly distributed among viewers who opted in. Once enabled, you'll see any gifted membership you receive in your account notifications. That's it. Now you're ready to get free memberships from friends or other viewers during YouTube live streams.